Are you passionate about teaching but not sure where to start? Welcome to Tutorition, the platform that helps educators share their knowledge with learners worldwide. Getting started is simple. You can register instantly using your Google, LinkedIn, Apple account, or directly with your email address. Choose your preferred option, and you're ready to begin your tutoring journey. Here's how to create your tutor profile step by step. Step 1. Enter your personal details. Add your first name, last name, email address, phone number, subject you teach, address, languages you speak, and level. Step 2. Upload your photo. Choose a clear, friendly picture that helps students connect with you. Step 3. Add your certifications. If you don't have any, check the box that says, "I don't have a teaching certificate." Otherwise, fill in your subject, certificate title, short description, issued by, year from and to, upload your certificate, and add more if needed. Step 4. Enter your education details. If you don't have higher education, check the box. Otherwise, enter your institute, degree, specialization, study years from and to, upload your education certificate, and add more if needed. Step 5. Add your teaching experience. If you don't have experience, check the box. Otherwise, enter your subject, institute, designation, roles and responsibilities, start and end dates, and add more experiences if you like. Step 6. Add your offerings. If you don't have any, check the box. You can choose between course-based or lesson-based offerings. For course-based, add your course title, course rate, curriculum, and notes. For lesson-based, add your lesson title, rate per lesson, and notes. Step 7. Write your profile description. Introduce yourself. Share your interests. Describe your teaching experience and methodology. Add a short summary about your core skills or focus, and include tags to help students find you. Step 8. Upload your video introduction. Upload your video directly, or paste a link to your introduction YouTube video. That's it. In just a few simple steps, you can start teaching, inspire learners, and build a rewarding career on tutorition.com. Start your journey now.